This new feature 2023 tutorial video will teach you how to use the gravity control of the equipment. The first objective is to simulate the helicopter to take off and fly forward. The second is to lift the tower crane inside the building to the second floor. The third is to lift the gantry crane to be installed. Before in Fuzor, when we have to animate, we apply physics. So no matter how much you drag an equipment up, it will always stick to the ground. So for the first objective, let's simulate the helicopter to take off and fly forward. Go to More Options and search for Content Library. Type helicopter, left mouse click, hold Shift, then rotate the helicopter by moving your mouse, left mouse click, then press Escape. So click on the helicopter and we can now animate it. So for this green dot, it means that no matter how much we drag it up, it will always stick to the ground. So we click again to make it a red dot, which means there's no gravity applied to it, and we can now lift it from the ground. So add a keyframe, and let's lift it up, drag the arrow. For the rotor head, let's also rotate it. So let's do the same thing for the others. Then here we can animate it to move forward only. Now we can play the animation. So for the second objective, let's say we want to move this tower crane up to the next floor. So we click on the tower crane and notice that it has a green dot, meaning no matter how much we drag it up, it will stick to the ground. So click the green dot to make it red, and now we can move it up. Click Finish. For the last objective, we want to lift this gantry crane to be installed. So click on the gantry crane, and here you can see that it's a green dot, meaning gravity is applied. So let's turn it into a red dot, drag the arrow up, then click Finish. So these are the 3 scenarios you can use the gravity control. Thank you for watching the video.